Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create your TESOL Methods ePortfolio. This is the first in a series of 3 videos on creating your portfolio. This first video will focus on getting started and creating your own site. The second video will help you get familiar with the basics of editing your own site, and the third will teach you some of the advanced site editing tools. After watching each video, go ahead and follow the steps to create, edit, and customize your site. Your portfolio will be hosted on Google Sites, specifically within the pdx.edu domain, because everybody has access to Google Sites at PSU, and because you can then transfer your portfolio to your own private domain later on. So to get started, you need to log into your Odin account. It's easiest to do so by logging into your mail. And once you've logged in, you need to go to sites.pdx.edu. Here you'll see a list of the sites you may have already created, but you're going to create a new one by clicking the red Create button, and then you need to select a template to use. So click this button, browse the gallery for more templates, because I've already created a template for you. Make sure that pdx.edu is highlighted over here. Notice that there are all sorts of public templates, but the template that I've created is only visible to PSU students and faculty. So you're going to search for PDX Applied Linguistics TESOL Portfolio. Search for it, and when this template appears, click it, scroll down, click Select, and you have now selected this portfolio. Now, you need to name your site. So name it with just your name. No need to add anything else to the title. Just keep it very simple with your own name. So my name is Jen Zacklin, so I'm going to call my site Jen Zacklin. Okay, then click the red Create button at the top of the site. This can take a few minutes. So what we're doing is creating an online file repository, so you no longer need to print and 3-hole punch and physically organize your files into a binder. Instead, you can just upload your files to the website, which already has the organization set up for you. So everybody's site will start off looking like this. You'll see your name at the top. At the bottom, you'll see a footer that's saying that this is your portfolio at PSU. And to the left, you'll see the sidebar navigation, which is already organized by what you need to upload. First of all, though, you need to check and modify your sharing settings. So scroll up to the top, and above your site you'll see a white bar that has several buttons that Google has provided for you. So there's Edit Page, New Page, the More Actions menu, and Share. You need to change your sharing settings. You can access that several ways. There's the big Share button right here. You can find it right here under Sharing Permissions. Another place to find it, this is a place that you need to get familiar with, is the Manage Site page. You can find the same page under Sharing and Permissions here. So once you get here, you'll notice that only your at pdx.edu account is the owner of the site. Now I'm going to graduate here, so I want to make sure that I can access this site after I no longer have access to my PDX mail account. So I'm going to invite my private Gmail account to also be an owner of the site. So yes, I invite myself, and once this appears, I'll see that no matter where I'm logged on, whether through PSU or through my private Gmail account, I can be the owner of this site. Now, you also need to invite your methods instructors. So let's say you're inviting Nika. You would insert her email address here. Now, you don't want to make her an owner or an editor. Instead, just click Can View. If I were actually inviting Nika now, I would click the Send button. Now, one more thing you should know about this page is that up here at the top, you can see who can actually view and access this site. If you'd like to change it, click the Change button. If you wanted to make it totally public, you could do that by clicking here. You could possibly do that later if you wanted to copy this site and make it viewable for, say, employers in the future. You can make it only available at PSU if you feel like it, or just the specific people you have listed right here. Alright, so that is how to create your site. So go ahead and get your site set up, and when you are all ready to start uploading things, watch the next video.